does social impact change the path of a user as opposed to just looking at their previous data you're collecting on that user? So what's crazy is when you look at data at a mass scale, you can actually see like how similar people are. And we analyze social media celebrities, so there are influencers that have 100,000 followers, which is such a small fraction of the population. But then those 100,000 followers probably follow 10 or 20 other similar types of people that have also 100,000 followers. And within their niche, within their community, they buy the same things, they use the same things, and so it's hard to say if there's a difference in looking at the high data versus individual data because they're used for different things. But it's amazing how when you have access to all the data, the kind of trends that you can get out of it. Do you have a specific question?
I'm just curious to see if you've played with social impact, to see if it can break the path of set analytics.
Yeah, I don't have anything specific to comment on there, unfortunately. We mostly look at just zoomed out data. Any of you guys have any comments?
I think it's a super interesting question. We haven't looked at it, but yeah, I mean, that's where you need to have the data so you can start analyzing and collecting it. You need to know, what other customers did yesterday, something happened, what are they doing today, right? So it is a learning process. So as far as I know, nobody's looked at that yet.
It's a good research question.
Yeah.
One side seems to be more relevant to media planning, the other to like recommendation, but they're both interesting. I know organizations that I work with are definitely tracking both, but I don't know that they bumped them up against each other.
And it tells you, if you want to keep temporal data, right? You want to know what was the state of your customer base, or whatever you're tracking yesterday, and then what is it tomorrow? Because now you want to compare what's different between those data. So when you update the data, you don't really want to throw it away. You just want to sort of timestamp it. And this was the state yesterday, or whenever you changed it, right?